Remember the old days? Stuck in an office, 9 to 5? Not anymore. Welcome to the age of the digital nomad. We can work from anywhere. Laptop and Wi-Fi are all you need. The world is your office now. Exciting, right? Imagine this. You're sipping a fresh coconut, toes in the sand while answering emails. Or, you're finishing a project overlooking a stunning mountain range. This is the reality for digital nomads. We're location independent, free to explore while we earn. This lifestyle isn't just about the views, it's about freedom, flexibility, and experiences. You can wake up in a new place every week, you can learn new languages and cultures firsthand. Sound like a dream? It's totally doable. Ready to break free from the ordinary? Pack your bags, grab your laptop, and let's explore the world of digital nomadism together. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are immense. Are you in? So, where do you want to wake up tomorrow? Picture this: Bali. You're surrounded by lush rice paddies, the air is warm and fragrant, and you're sipping Balinese coffee as you start your workday. After work, you're learning to surf with locals. Sounds pretty good, right? Or maybe you're more of a city person. Tokyo could be your next office. Imagine working from a sleek co-working space, then exploring vibrant street markets and enjoying delicious ramen for lunch. From the beaches of Thailand to the cafes of Paris, the possibilities are endless. Work from a hammock in the Caribbean, or from a cozy cabin in the Swiss Alps, the choice is yours. The best part? Working remotely from these exotic locations doesn't have to break the bank. Many digital nomads find that their cost of living actually decreases while their quality of life skyrockets. More on that later. One of the best things about being a digital nomad is the community. You're not alone in this journey. Co-working spaces have popped up all over the world, offering a supportive and inspiring environment for remote workers. Imagine this. You walk into a bright open space in Medellin, Colombia. You're surrounded by other digital nomads from all walks of life. Entrepreneurs, writers, designers, programmers. You grab a coffee, settle into a comfortable workspace, and get to work, knowing you're surrounded by a community of like-minded individuals. These co-working spaces offer more than just Wi-Fi and desks. They often host workshops, networking events, and social gatherings, making it easy to connect with other nomads and locals. Need some inspiration? Check out Hubud in Bali, a co-working and co-living space nestled in the jungle. Or head to Factory Berlin, a hub for tech startups in the heart of Germany. No matter where you go, you'll find a welcoming community of digital nomads ready to share their experiences and support your journey. Beyond the laptop, immersing in local cultures. Being a digital nomad isn't just about working from beautiful places, it's about truly experiencing them. It's about embracing new cultures, trying new foods, and connecting with people from all walks of life. Imagine spending your weekends exploring ancient temples in Thailand, learning to salsa dance in Colombia, or taking a cooking class in Italy. These experiences enrich your life in ways that a traditional 9-to-5 job never could. The key to immersing yourself in local cultures is to be open-minded and curious. Talk to the locals, ask questions, and be willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Try new foods, learn a few basic phrases in the local language, and participate in local traditions. Remember, travel is about more than just checking destinations off a list. It's about creating meaningful connections, broadening your horizons, and returning home a changed person. As a digital nomad, you have the incredible opportunity to do this every single day. The balancing act tips for work-life integration on the road. Let's be real, being a digital nomad isn't always sunshine and rainbows. It takes discipline, organization, and a bit of juggling to balance work and travel. But don't worry, it's totally doable. First things first, set clear boundaries between work time and playtime. When you're working, be present and focused. When you're exploring, disconnect from work and savor the experience. Next, create a schedule that works for you. Maybe you're most productive in the morning, so you schedule your work hours then and explore in the afternoons. Or perhaps you prefer to work in blocks, focusing intensely for a few hours, then taking breaks to explore. Remember, flexibility is one of the biggest perks of this lifestyle. Embrace it. If you want to take a day off to hike to a hidden waterfall, do it. Just make sure you're managing your time effectively and meeting your deadlines. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources available for digital nomads, from online communities to productivity apps. Utilize them. Embrace the adventure, the freedom, and fulfillment of digital nomadism. So, there you have it. a glimpse into the exciting world of digital nomadism. It's a lifestyle that offers unparalleled freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, explore new cultures, and design a life that aligns with your values and passions. It's not always easy, of course. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But the rewards far outweigh the risks. Imagine waking up every morning excited about your day, your work, and the adventures that lie ahead. The digital nomad lifestyle is within your reach. All it takes is a willingness to embrace the unknown, a thirst for adventure, and a laptop. So, what are you waiting for? The world is waiting.